remember the placemat that I bought from the Chinese store for 15 pesos. Ayan, so kinat natin yung gilid at ikinabit doon sa gilid din ng toga. And then itong part na ganyan, I also cut. Ayan. And then yan yung ilalagay natin dito sa mga kanto ng damit. So I guess like that. Aside from corn, nabanggit din sa story of Demeter yung flower na poppy. Isa rin to sa mga symbolizes or oracle niya. So, what I'm going to do, ito nabili ko to sa Novo noong June. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, remove it from this wall. Tapos, ilalagay ko to doon sa toga ko. Yan, parang ganyan siya. Oh, diba? Didikit ko na lang or tatahiin ko yata. So, I'm still working on some of my hair accessories of Demeter. Hi guys! So, today is September 5. Gabi na and tomorrow na yung monologue. So, that means kailangan ko lang tapusin, plantsahin mga dapat ayusin sa aking costume. So, what I have here pala is a piece of corn. I bought this earlier sa public market for 20 pesos. So, kasi doon sa mga, sa libro na nabasa ko, yung reference book namin dito, na nabanggit yung corn sa story ni Demeter and also from other YouTube videos na napanood ko. So, hindi pwedeng mawala ito sa costume ko. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano ko ipapaliwanag na ilalagay ko siya dito. Basta ipakita ko na lang yung finished product. Yun, basta ipakita ko na lang kung paano ko siya ginawa. Ang pinoproblema ko lang talaga kasi bukas na yung monologue, tapos ito inobo pa ako and namamaos pa ng onte, ewan ko ba. So, ayan, gagawin ko na to para makatulog ng maaga ngayong gabi. And dito ko siya pala ilalagay, dito sa parang walking stick ni Demeter. Ano to? Yung galing to sa kaibigan ko, yung matagal ko na kaibigan dito sa neighborhood. Yung binigyan niya ako ng piece lang kahoy yung sa mangga nila. And then this
Ay, salamat.
Hi gods and goddesses.
Hi.
I am Demeter, one of the two great gods of earth. I am the goddess of harvest, agriculture, fertility. But not only that, I'm also the goddess of a sacred law and a cycle of life and death. Cronus and Rhea are my parents. Zeus and I have a daughter named Persephone. She is beautiful, sweet, young lady. Wait, I'm going to put Persephone's picture. Persephone! Yes, Mom. Persephone!
Yes, Mama.
Where are you, my daughter?
She's over there.
Daughter, Persephone! My daughter disappeared. And as a mother, it brought me grief and deep sorrow. I wondered. And still I couldn't find her. And no one would tell me the truth. And so I asked the sun god, Helios, my daughter Persephone is missing. Do you know she's gone? Helios told me what happened to Persephone and where she is. Again, it brought me greater grief. And so I left Olympus and forget my duty as a god. Without my grace, it was dreadful for the mankind. The earth will not bear fruit. No plants will sprout up. The entire human race will die. But Zeus is such a great God. He's not just gonna sit there on his throne and watch the mankind suffering. He sent the messenger god, Hermes, to talk to me and try to turn myself from anger. But I didn't listen. I will never let the earth bear fruit until until I had seen my daughter. Zeus decided to bring Hermes to the underworld and tell Hades to let Persephone come back to me. But Hades tricked Persephone by giving her a pomegranate seed to eat, so she must return to him. I felt grief and fear that I couldn't keep my daughter with me. Zeus didn't stop thinking on how to convince me to do my job, to do my duty as a god. He sent my mother, Rhea, and she spoke to me. My daughter, Demeter. The third part, only the kingdom of darkness shall hold her. The rest, you'll keep her. Peace not, my dear. Give me life, which only comes alone from your giving. And who am I to refuse? I am a daughter and a mother who care. And I am happy now that I have Persephone with me. And as long as I have my daughter, I will make the fields rich and abundant with fruit once again. The entire earth will be filled with fruit and all the flowers and plants. I am Demeter, a mother and a daughter who care. The entire world is nothing without the living things, the nature, the fruit of agriculture that feeds the humankind. The earth is nothing without my grace.